please let me know, is my audio clearly audible or not, and is my presentation visible or not? Let me know. Let me know in the chat. JNV, Ballari and North Canada students. I guess JNV North Canada are joining after a very long time. Yeah. Let me know. Let me know. And students who are joining from YouTube, good evening. How are you all? Okay, good. So is my audio and is my presentation visible? Clearly audible and it's clearly visible? Let me know. Okay, good. Thank you. Good. Okay, sweetie. Good evening. Arshada. Good evening. How are you all? Good evening, sweetie. How are you? Okay, good, good. So yeah, before starting our today's session, good evening, Roth, Arshada. Okay, I'm launching the technical check. Please answer the technical check and let me know, is my audio, is my video clearly, video as in the presentation, is clearly visible or not? Okay. Here is the poll. And Ballari students have already mentioned that, yeah, everything is good. I want North Canada students to tell me and other students who joined just now. Okay, good, good. That's good. I guess North Canada students are the one who isn't answering. Is it good? Okay, I'll proceed ahead. Okay, good. Thank you. Very good. So I'll be proceeding ahead. Okay. In the meantime, if you feel or if you face any difficulty in understanding the concept, or let's say any technical issues, please notify me. Okay. Please notify me, students. Okay. So welcome again to today's session. My name is Samanvit, your physics faculty from Avantifellows. I hope everything is going on good. So we'll start our session and we will be continuing our topic regarding what? Newton's laws of motion. Okay. In today's class, what and all we are going to study? First of all, we'll be quickly recalling everything that we have studied in the previous class, or let's say previous concept that we have studied. Then, based on that, there will be numerical. There will be a numerical students. ठीक है? Numerical को solve करना है. उसके बाद we'll be solving something called point method. Do you remember string method, students? String method, and whoever hasn't heard this, have to go back to the session that I have done in the previous classes and check what is string method. Okay. So in the string method, we try to what? Relate acceleration, or let's say velocity, or let's say what? Length. Yes or no? Along these things, we try to what? Relate these things. Let's say if we have a pulley, and if there was a mass, then we were trying to what? Let's say if this is A, if this is B, we were trying to relate A with B. Yes or no? I hope you remember all these things. Yes or no? Okay. Then next we'll talk about concept of constraints. Okay. Then we'll be talking numericals based on it. Then today, students, the interesting thing will be what? That will be the friction. We'll be starting our session with friction. Okay. So let's say if we get time, then we'll be talking about friction more today. Or by the end of today's class, everything will be covered. These things will be covered. Okay. So let me know. Are you guys ready? Let me know, students. Suman, welcome to today's class. Let me know. Okay, good, good. Very good. Very nice. Now, talking about what we have studied in the last class. Students, do you remember We were talking about what? String method. Yes or no? In string method, what were we trying to do? Let's say what we are basically trying to find what relation between accelerations. Yes, accelerations. Yes or no, students? In that, where we tried, let's say there was a reference point and I took this as my length LB. Yes, and I took this length as what? Sorry, LA, and this as what? LB. Yes or no? Then we try to relate, or let's say what, the acceleration, and we came to know that this acceleration of A, what was what it was, what in magnitude it was equal, but in direction it was opposite. In direction it was opposite. Yes or no, students? I hope you remember it. Do you remember this, where we took this length as L0 and we took the total length as L? Yes, the total L is equal to what? LA plus L0 plus LB, where we came to know that these and these are what? Constant. Then we differentiate it. When we differentiate it, we get dLA by dt plus what? This is 0. You know, this is also 0, plus dLB by dt. I hope you remember. Students, let me know in the chat. Do you remember these things? Then what we get? We get what? VA is equal to minus VB, or in terms of acceleration, we get A of acceleration minus A of what? Acceleration of B. Yes, very good. So today, students, what we'll be doing is, instead of the string method, we'll be talking something called point method. Okay. This point method will help you basically find out what velocities. Velocities. But this is very much easier way to find acceleration or velocities. Is it good? See, string method was required to make you understand how can we take it. Okay. Will be using string method in certain cases. Okay. In certain cases too. सही है ना? देखो, हमें सारे कॉन्सेप्ट पता होने चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि एक पता एक और पता नहीं है कि नहीं? थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. सी, स्ट्रिंग मेथड इज पॉइंट मेथड इज मच इजियर देन स्ट्रिंग मेथड, लेकिन हाँ, कॉन्सेप्ट पता चला ना तो सही बात है ना. ओके, सो JNV तुमको स्टूडेंट्स हैव जॉइंड. गुड इवनिंग. I hope let me know. Okay, let me know in the chat. Is my screen, is my audio is clearly audible or not? Okay. Coming into, if that is the case, students, here is a quick question for you guys based on previous sessions, what you have done. So the question says, if the force applied on an object is doubled and mass to half, what will be the ratio of its acceleration? So please let me know the answer, students. I'm giving you exactly 2 minutes of time to solve this. Everyone has to solve this, students. Please solve it. Try to solve it, students. So here is a 2 minute of time. So the timer will start. So please solve it and please let me know in the chat what is the answer. Good evening. Tumkur students, right? Please let me know the answer. This is very easy. You guys have to solve this. Okay. This is based on your what? Second law. Okay, well, students. Very good. Okay, North Country students, they have given their answer. Let's check your answer, okay? But other students have also given the answer. But let's check the answer, okay? Very good. Others, let me know. Suman, Ashada. Suman, check your answer once. Okay. North Canada students, they have changed. You have changed your answer. Okay, good. Let's see. Okay, so I'm giving you. There is last 30 seconds of time. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Very good for your answer. Everyone has given their answer, respective answers. So I'm stopping the timer. Let's try to solve this. Okay. See over here, we know that what we want the acceleration ratios, that is a1 by a2. Now we know f is equal to m into a. They have said that initially the force will be something like this: f is equal to what, m into a1. Okay. Later on, what they did was, for first case, for the second case, what they did was they kept the what, the force doubled. They doubled the force, and the mass was what, half, m by 2. Yes or no? This was the second case. So initially, what was this? The force was f is equal to m into a1. Yeah. So what they did was they kept the forces doubled. The force quantity or the magnitude was same. The mass magnitude was same. Only they did was what, they doubled it and they halved the mass, and the acceleration was different. Yes. Now they wanted a1 by a2. What is the ratio? So what will be the ratio, students? Let me know. You know that if this is the case, if this is the case, a1 is equal to what? F by m. And if this is the case, you know that a2 is equal to what? 4f by m. Yes. So therefore, a1 by a2 will be what? F by m divided by 4f by m. Yes or no? Students, let me know. So can I write this as 4 by m into what? M by 4f. Yes. So m cancels, ff cancels. A1 by a2 is what? 1 by 4. So the ratio is what? 4 is to 1, yeah, or 1 is to 4? Let me know. Very good. What? 1 is to 4, students. Is it good? So make sure that you don't what, miss these type of things. Is it good, students? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Okay, so many. Okay, Bagalkot students have joined. Good evening. Okay, let me know, students, in the chat. Is it good? Is it good? Sweetie, Suman, did you get to know what is the answer? Where did you do your mistakes? Okay, good. Very good. Others, JNV students, let me know. North Canada students change their answer. Very good. Tumkur students also give the right answer. Okay, good. Now, proceeding ahead. Now, today we'll be talking about what this point method. What is this point method? Basically, this is a short trick. Okay, ये trick है. These things are trick, students. Is not what a concept. These are trick to find out, to find out, to find what velocities. Basically, this will help you to find velocities. How this will help you? See, the thing is, there will be certain problems based on this. Okay, let's say there is certain problems based on what, this concept. Let's say there are one pulley, there's a pulley, and there are two masses that are hanged. Okay, please. Okay. Tumko students, just a second. See, over here, the is given that if the force applied on object is doubled and mass what is half. Basically, they're saying, let's say initially, the force was F. Okay. Then finally, what they did was, finally they doubled the force, and they told that the mass initially was m, and what finally they what halved it, m by 2. Now they wanted was the ratio of acceleration. So basically, they're saying that the acceleration was different. Yes or no? Now, if that is a case, then you know that F is equal to m into a. Now, let's take for the first case. For the first case, they said F is equal to m into a1. They kept force as F, what, and mass as m. For the second case, they told they doubled the force, and they what? They halve the mass. So 2F is equal to m by 2 into a2, because acceleration is different over here. Yes. Now we wanted what? We wanted ratio of acceleration. Basically, over it is given. So ratio of acceleration is what? A1 by a2. If that is the case, what is a1 over here? F by m. Yes or no? And divided by a2 is what? If I'm taking 2, that is 4f divided by m. Yes or no? So m cancels, f cancels out. We get what? 1 by 4. So ratio is what? 1:4. Let me know. Is it good till now? And this is your answer. This is your answer basically. Tuku students, let me know. Okay, good. No problem. No problem. Yes. This point method. See, initially you are talked about string method. Okay, you know how to calculate acceleration using string method. In questions, what they will be doing is, let's say this, they will be given that this is the velocity of va. Okay, this mass is traveling with the velocity va in the upward direction, and they'll be telling that this what pulley will also be traveling with the acceleration vp. Now you want the what velocity of what the body v. How to solve this? Now students, what you do is this point method. Now what you do is you from, let's say, for this point object a, for this mass a, let's us point this point. Okay, मतलब जो मास के ऊपर एक पॉइंट है ना, वहां एक मार्क कर लेते हैं, फिर एक मार्क करते हैं इधर. ठीक है, since this pulley is moving, I am marking over here. Okay, this is a movable pulley, इसलिए. Is it good? Then I'll keep a point over here. Next, I'll keep a point over here. Is it good? Now, students, tell me one thing. If this mass is moving with the velocity what va, मुझे ये बताओ कि इस string को क्या होगा? Isn't this mass trying to reduce the length of the string? ये बताओ. ऐसा फील नहीं हो रहा है कि अगर मान लो ऐसा था, ठीक है, ऐसा मास था, यहाँ था, then this mass is trying to move upwards with the velocity va. ये अगर मूव करेगा तो मान लो थोड़ी टाइम के बाद इधर आ गया, तो ये स्ट्रिंग का जो लेंथ है उसको रिड्यूस नहीं कर रहा है. ऐसा फील नहीं हो रहा है? लेट मी नो इन द चैट. ऐसा फील नहीं हो रहा है क्या? लेट मी नो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट मी नो. हो रहा है, वेरी गुड. इफ ऐसा हो रहा है, इफ इट ट्राइज टू व्हाट reduce the length of the string length, basically ये क्या हो रहा है, आपको फील हो रहा है, तो आप ये काम करो, उसको माइनस वी ए लिख दो. ठीक है, उसके बाद यहां इस पॉइंट पे आ जाओ. ठीक है, पॉइंट 2 पे आ जाओ, ये पॉइंट 1 था. ठीक है, अगर ये वीपी ऊपर जा रहा है, वीपी ऊपर जा रहा है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि पुलिस ट्राइंग टू स्ट्रेच द स्ट्रिंग. ऐसा नो, ऐसा फील हो रहा है ना कि अगर मान लो ये ऊपर जा रहा है विद द वेलोसिटी वीपी, तो ऐसा नहीं फील हो रहा है कि ये स्ट्रेच हो रहा है, ऐसा स्ट्रेचिंग हो रहा है ना. ऐसा नो. तो अगर स्ट्रेच हो रहा है ना, इफ स्ट्रेच हो रहा है, तो आप काम करो, क्या करो, ये फील भी हो रहा है आपको, तो आप प्लस वीपी लिख दो. ऐसा नो. नाउ ओवर हियर यू नो दैट ये पॉइंट है और ये पॉइंट है कि नहीं? तो 2 पॉइंट है, तो 2 पॉइंट्स आर ट्राइंग टू स्ट्रेच इट, सो आपको एक और वीपी लिखना पड़ेगा. इज इट गुड? थर्ड, नेक्स्ट क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहां जाके देखो वीबी है ना, तो वीबी फाइंड आउट करना. सो फॉर कैलकुलेशन पर्पस, कैलकुलेशन, लेट मी टेक इट टू बी प्लस वीबी. देखो आंसर के बाद आपको पता चलेगा कि ये ऊपर जा रहा है या नीचे जा रहा है. ठीक है, अगर ये सब आ गया, देन राइट स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट, राइट प्लस, सॉरी, माइनस वी ए, क्योंकि ये ऊपर जा रहा है कि नहीं, प्लस वीपी व्हाट, प्लस वीबी. ठीक है, ऐसे लिखते हैं, ऐसे लिख देते हैं. अगर ऐसी बात है तो वील गेट व्हाट, अगर मैंने इसको यहाँ ए कर दिया, तो विल गेट माइनस वी ए प्लस 2vp इज इक्वल टू माइनस वीबी. अगर मैंने माइनस इधर, आई मीन इफ आई टेक द माइनस साइन टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, विल गेट वीबी इक्वल टू व्हाट, 2vp minus va. Yes or no? Now we wanted vb, now we get the what, the formula for vb. Did you get, students? Let me know. And over here we get what, vp to be what, vb plus va by 2. Let me know, students. ये होता है पॉइंट मेथड. बस इसको यूज करना है. क्या करना है आपको, पहले पॉइंट, मार्क द पॉइंट विच इज मूवेबल, जो मूव हो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है कि स्ट्रेच कर रहा है, ऐसा करे कि इलांगेट कर रहा है, वो चेक कर लो. फिर डिपेंडिंग ऑन दी स्ट्रेचिंग और लेट्स से जो कंप्रेस कर रहा है या लेंथ को रिड्यूस कर रहा है, उस पे माइनस साइन, नेगेटिव या पॉजिटिव साइन दे दो. Bas, काम खत्म. Let me know, students, in the chat. Let me know quickly. Krishna, good evening. Let me know. YouTube students, good evening. Let me know. Are you able to understand it? Let me know quickly, students. See, this is not at all okay. Okay, you need to make sure that there is some interaction. Tumkur students, Bagalkot students, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ interaction ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, Ballari students. So here the point method. Okay. Question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, let's say it's given that VA is moving with the velocity, sorry, the mass is moving with the velocity VA in this upward direction. Okay. And they'll tell that VP, that is this pulley, will be moving with the velocity, what? Some velocity they'll be given with the velocity. कुछ तो ಒಂದು velocity ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ? And they'll ask you to find out what is the velocity of VP. Now, if these are the cases, students, then what you need to do is, if this mass is going upwards, then isn't it trying to reduce this length of the string? But students, feel ಆಗುದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ VA ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುದಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣುದಿಲ್ವಾ? Let me know. But students, doesn't it feel like, okay, it is trying to? Yes. If that is the case, students, write it as what? Minus VA with the negative sign. Okay, now VP is moving upwards. If that is the case, point aliddu, if I'm staying over here at point number 2, and if I'm trying to move it upwards, then doesn't feel like this pulley is trying to stretch this string. Pulley is trying to stretch, or let's say expand. Feel agudillo hage? Let me know. Yes. How did North Canada students? I didn't get you. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know, North Canada students. Yes. Now, over here, as I said, we need to calculate on 2 points over here. Since we are talking about point method, it's a trick, students. It's a trick to find out VA. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 point ಇದೆ. So there are two, like basically illinda se stretch ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, illinda stretch ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. So for that reason, I'm writing 2 VPs. Okay. Then later on, see, we need to find negative. How did negative VP become positive? Where did negative VP become positive? Where? See, this is first step. This is second step. This is third step. This is fourth step. This is fifth step. This is sixth. This is seventh. Which step? Not Canada students. See, over here, I want to find what is the velocity of VB. Okay. Now, in order to take, I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Don't worry. Now I want what? The velocity of VB. For calculation purpose, I'm taking the velocity to be plus VB. Okay. Now, what I did was, see, you know that this to be 0. Okay, let's say, okay, I missed 0. So what I did was minus VA plus VP plus VP plus VB equal to 0. I say equate kiya. Agar equate kiya, so if I'm taking this to the left hand side, it becomes minus VA plus 2 VP equal to minus VB. Yes or no? Now, if I take this minus sign to the left hand side, what will happen? VB is equal to, see, VB equal to minus what? Minus VA plus 2 VP. ऐसा ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ North Canada students? If that is the case, can I write this 6th step? Let me know, North Canada students. Let me know. Yes. So that is the reason I wrote what? VB equal to 2 VP minus 2A. 2 VP minus VA, sorry. Let me know, students. And Tumkur students, let me know. Ballari students, did you get it? Let's do a numerical. You'll get it. Okay, don't worry. Let me know. Tumkur students. Yes. Tumkur. Okay, here is the question, students. Okay, first I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, the next question you need to try to solve it. Now, over here, 6th step. Okay, 6th step. What happened? See, what I did was, wait. What I did was is wrong. Why? Why it is wrong? Just a second, just a second. This is VA, this is VB, yes or no? So if I'm bringing VB, which is equal to minus of minus VA plus 2VP, yes, then we get VB equal to what? VA minus 2VP, yes? Is it good? Oh, yes, 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 yes. Good, good, good. Very good, very good. I made a calculation mistake. Okay. So what we get? We get VB equal to VA minus 2VP. Yes or no? Now we get what? Then I can write VP is equal to VA minus VB by 2. Is it good? Okay. There's a mistake on my side. Some printing mistake, calculation mistakes. Is it good now? Is it good? Is it good? Okay, VB, yes, this side VA minus 2VP. I'm bringing this side VP, then VA minus VB. Yes, is it good? Let me know, students, quickly. Let me know, let me know. Yes. Let me know, students. Okay, good, good. Very good. Okay, if that is the case, students, then let us try to solve this. Okay. Now, over here, it is given that you need to find VB. Sorry, you need to find VA. What is the velocity of VA? Okay. Now, over here, it is given that VP is moving upward with the velocity 4 meter per second and VB is moving upwards with the velocity of 6 meter per second. Now, you need to find VA. Now, students, see, as I said, you need to what? Use the point method. Point, illy on the point, illy on the point, illy on the point, and illy on the point. If I'm standing over here, if it is moving upwards in this direction, okay, let's say if it is moving in the upwards direction, let's take what? Plus VA for our consideration. Okay, let us take it. Okay, is it good? Let us take it for consideration. Okay, let us not draw the direction. Now, talking about, okay, let's check your answer. What? VB. VB is trying to move upwards. Then what? It is negative VB. Yes or no? Now, also, you know that there are 2 points over here, which is trying to move upwards and which is trying to what? Stretch these two strings. So it will be what? Plus VP plus V, what? VP. And I'm taking what? It to be plus VA, which is equal to 0. If that is the case, students, what will I get? I'll get minus VB plus 2VP plus VA equal to 0. I want VA, which is equal to VB minus 2VP. Yeah, is it good? So what is VB over here? That is it good? Is it good, students? Let me know, let me know. 6 minus 2 into, is it good? 2 into VP is what? 4. That is 8. So I'll get VA is equal to what? 6 minus 2 into 4 is 8, which is equal to minus 2. Yes, that is minus 2 meter per second. So basically it is saying that it is moving in this direction. So that is how you get the direction. Okay. This negative sign is basically telling that it is trying to what? It is trying to move in the upwards direction. Since we are taking this as to our what sign convention. Is it good, students? Is it good? Let me know. Very good, very good. So yeah, Ballari students, I guess you made certain mistakes over here there. You get 14 meter per second. I don't know how did you get, but try to see the calculations. Okay. Try to see the calculations. Okay. Others, let me know. Did you get to know how we got it? Sweetie, very good, very good. Others, Harsha, Harshada, Suman. Okay, good. Bagalkot, Tumkur students. Yes. Okay, good, 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 good. If that is the case, students, then we are quickly going to what? Another question now. Okay. So here the question, students. Over here, this is VB. Okay. Here you need to find VC. So I'm giving you 3 minutes of time to solve it. Okay. Same concept. जैसे हमने लगाया था, same concept you need to apply. So I'm giving you 3 minutes of time. Here's the time. See, I'm giving a hint, students. Remember, this is a what? A fixed pulley. Fixed pulley. So always remember. So try to solve it and let me know what is the answer for it. Let me know, students. Sweetie, check your answer. Check your answer once. Yes, Valerie, students, which formula? Yeah, see, there are a lot of formulas to apply. Okay, if you feel it is good, if you feel this is what is the right. Okay, if you find it is easy, then you can apply it. Okay. Others, what is the formula used? Valerie, students, let me know. Okay, VP is equal to VA minus VB by 2. Okay, you're directly using the formula. Which formula? I didn't get you, Ballari students. Let me know. Tumko students, very good. Let me know. Sweetie, on check your answer, okay? Ballari students, please let me know which formula you are talking about. Okay, yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, since you know that, okay, VP is equal to VA minus VB by 2. How do you get VP is equal to VA minus VB by 2? Just a second. How did you get that? How did you get VB by 2? Did you use some other formula or some other concept? Okay, but our students will be talking about it. Okay, let's talk about it in the end of the session. Is it good? Now, so students, how to solve this? Okay, how to solve this? Now, as I said, we need to what talk about what individual points. But other students, let me know in the chat how did you get VP by 2? Okay, now over here, you know, I'm sitting over this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point, this point, this point, and along this point. S, is it good? Now you know that this is a fixed pulley, this is also fixed pulley. Will there be an let's say velocity for this? It will be 0 meter per second. Yes or no? Yes or no, students? Now, if I'm sitting over here and if it is moving in the upward direction, you know that it is what? Minus VA. Yes, very good. And if I'm sitting over here, you know that what this pulley will not have any velocity. Then it will be VP. Very good. Then you know that over this point also it will be what? 0. That is VP. So basically, I'll write it instead of writing VP and making you confused. I'll write it as what? 0 plus 0. Yes. Now, students, you know that this is a movable pulley. Now, this movable pulley is attached to what? A mass. Now, if this mass is trying to move downwards, then students, this pulley will also try to move downwards. Yes or no? Then, if that is the case, if I'm sitting over here and sitting over here, students, won't be this what pulley will also be moving with velocity 6 meter per second. If that is the case, students, can I write VB plus VB? Yes or no? Because it is trying to what? Stretch. Yes or no? Or elongate, basically. If that is the case, can I write VB plus VB? Yes or no, students? Let me know in the chat. Now, along this, see, over here, this is also 0 because this pulley is what? Fixed. Now, students, we want VC. Yes or no? So let me take VC. and it to be 0. Now we have minus VA plus 2VB plus VC equal to 0. We get VC to be what? VA minus 2VB, and VA is what? 2 meter per second minus 2 into VB is what? 6. Yes. So we get 2 minus 12, which is equal to minus 10 meter per second. Is it good, students? Very good, sweetie. Yes. So this is your answer. Sorry. So this is your answer, students. Is it good? Let me know in the chat. Quickly let me know. Did you get it? Did you get the concept of it? How to do it? Is it good? So whenever you try, like let's say there are other method also, okay? Other than point method, there is a method called what do you say, work done method. So these are method, lot of methods are there. But see, try to stick to one method where you where you get the concept very clearly and it is easy to solve. Over here, it is very easy to solve, right? Basically, you're talking about point method. You're standing over there. You're trying to find out what is the velocities, etc. Okay. Is it good, students? Let me know. And YouTube students, let me know. Is it good? Okay, Trishna, very good, very nice. Others, let me know. Okay, Suman, very good, very nice. Now, just a second. Now, students, now we will be talking about a concept of string constant. What is this concept of string constant is? Let's say if I have two blocks, okay, two blocks of mass m, m1 and m2, and it is kept on a surface m1 and m2, and it is attached to a string. Okay, now students, if this block tries to move with a velocity 2 meter per second, let me know, or let me ask you, students, let's say if this is point A, what is the velocity of this point A then? If this is a string and this m2 is trying to move with the velocity 2 meter per second, and there are these points A, B, C, D, I want to ask with what velocity this A point will move. Let me know in the chat. Let me know. VA will move with the velocity 2 meter per second. Then, since the strings are attached, then students, let me know with what velocity this point A will move. Yes. Very good. That is what? 2 meter per second. Yes. If I'm taking B, if I'm talking about C, if I'm talking about D, what velocity? All this will move with the velocity 2 meter per second. Yes. Why? Because these are what? Attached through a string. Then if that is the case, students, then with what velocity? What? This m1, sorry. With what velocity this m2 will move then? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇದು m2 ಇದು ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಎಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲದರದ್ದು 2 meter per second ಇದ್ರೆ, if everything is 2 meter per second, then students, you know that velocity of m2 will also be what? 2 meter per second. Yes or no? Very good, very nice. So yes, very good. So over here you can know that if there is a string, let's say this is my string, okay? Thoda zoom ಮಾಡಿದೆ. This is my string and there is 2 points A and B. Then if it is moving, A is moving with the velocity V, then if V is moving with the velocity V dash, then you know that V is equal to V dash. Yes or no? But what will happen if V isn't with V dash? If V is not equal to V dash, students, what will happen? The string will break. The string will break. Did you get it, students? So always remember, if there are string, what? If there are string and there are masses attached, then if it along the string, the what? The velocity will be same. The velocity will be same. Is it good? Did you get the concept? Just a gist of the concept. We'll be solving numericals. Then you will get to know the deep dive numerical based on it. Okay, what was I trying to imply? Did you get it, students? If it is equal, then obviously it will move. If the velocities are same, yes. If it is moving with the velocity v some 2 meter per second, it will be what? 2 meter per second only. But if it is a different velocity, then the string will what? Break. The string will break. The string will basically break. Students, let me know in the chat. Okay, good, good. Now, talking about where it will apply. So basically, over here is a question, students. See, the question says you need to see. ಈಗ question clean ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಈಗ if I am trying to move this, there are two blocks and it is attached with a string over here. Okay, with a string, as you can see. Now, students, if the block A is trying to move with the velocity 5 meter per second, let me know what will happen to this block B. What will happen to this block B? I'll tell you that this won't be moving upwards. There is no upward movement. There is no upward movement. Upward movement. Okay, let me know, students, will this be try to move along this direction with the velocity VB? Yes or no? Let me know, students, quickly let me know. Iga, if I'm trying to pull that A along this from here, if I'm standing over here, and if I'm trying to pull this, won't this VB move along this direction? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Now, if that is the case, students, the question says find VB. It says find VB. How to find VB? Is there an idea? Is there any concept? Let me know, students. Let me know. Concept ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? Or can you guess the concept? Can you guess the concept? Let me know. See, the concept here basically is, see, if it is moving with a velocity 5 meter per second, at this point, what will be the velocity? Let me know. At this point, at this point, at this point, at this point, and at this point, what will be the velocity? Very good. That is 5 meter per second, 5 meter per second, 5 meter per second, and similarly 5 meter per second. Now, you know that VB is trying to travel with the velocity VB. Yes, this block V. Tumko student, it's 5 meter per second. Okay. So it is moving with the velocity what VB. Then, students, won't there be a what? See, this is 53 degree. Won't there be a component of VB along this direction? Won't there be a component along this direction? See, over here, there is VB. It is trying to move in this direction, and there is a string attached, and there is what? 53 degree. Then won't there be a component VB cos 53 degree in this direction? Yes or no? Let me know, students. So there'll be a component of what? VB sin 53 degree. Sorry, cos 53 degree. My bad. Cos 53 degree. Yes, Suman, very good. Cos 53 degree. Then if that is the case, students, can I write VB cos 53 degree equal to 5? ऐसे लिख सकता हूं मैं, क्योंकि यहां देखो, आपको पता था कि हर स्ट्रिंग में इस पॉइंट पे सारे वेलोसिटी 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड है, और आपको पता था कि ये 53 डिग्री है और VB से जा रहा है. ओके, Bagalkot students, very good. Let's check the answer. Okay, so there'll be a component VB sin 53 degree. So if that is the case, can I write cos 53 degree, VB cos 53 degree as equal to 5? And you know that for a famous triangle 53 degree, it is what? 4, 5, and 3. Cos 53 degree is what? What, students? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Sorry, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So we get VB equal to what? 3. VB into 3 by 5 is equal to 5. And we get what? If I'm taking this side, VB is equal to what? 25 by 3 meter per second. This is your answer, students. So, Bagalkot students, you need to check your answer. Okay. Okay, Ballari students, let me know. Is my audio clear now? Let me know in the chat. Is my audio clear? Is it crystal clear? Is it crystal clear now? So did you get the answer? Yes. Okay, good. So let me know. Okay. Did you get to know how we got the answer? Let me know, students, in the chat. Yes, others, let me know. Others, let me know. How VB will move that direction. Okay. See, over here, I'm telling you that, okay, students, listen. I'll explain it again. I'll explain it again. See, over here, I'm telling you that this won't move, this block won't move in upward direction. No upward movement. Okay. There is no upward movement. Now, this is for, okay, Suman and Badari students. If I'm standing over here and if I'm trying to pull it with the velocity, what, 5 meter per second, so pull, if I'm trying to pull it, so see here, basically it is trying to roll, yes or no? So you know that there is no upward direction. Then if that is the case, students, this block has to move in this direction. That is the case, students. When you're trying to pull it, if there is no upward direction, then the block will come in. Dekho, as a if but it's new, if you're trying to pull it, then see if there is no upward direction, then it has to come forward. That is the case, students. This is very imaginative stuff. Okay, so you need to imagine it. Got it? Now, so this will be the direction of VB. We got to know that. Ballari students, let me know yes or no. Now, you know that this block is moving with 5 meter per second velocity. As I said that, see, just before, I told you that if blocks are attached with the string, then if it is moving with the velocity meter per second, 2 meter per second, along this point, it is what? 2 meter per second itself. Okay, good. So along this point, you know that this is 5 meter per second and this is 5 meter per second. Now you know that this block is trying to move with the velocity VV and it is attached to a string, right? Yes, with a what angle 53 degree. Now you know that, see, if I'm trying to sit over here and try to see this block, you know that there is a velocity which is moving in this direction also, and there is something that is pulling along this direction also. Yes or no? VB. No. Not Canada students. Just a second. Okay. Over here, see, this VB will have a component along that what? VB cos 53 degree. So that is a component, students. And you know that along this point, it is 5 meter per second. So for that reason, see, there are two forces. One is what? 5 meter per second, and one is what? This component. Cos 53 degree. Cos 53 degree. Cos 53 degree. If that is the case, students, then we need to write VB cos 53 degree is equal to 5. Is it good? Is it good, students? Let me know. And North Canada students, see, over here, if we have, just a second, I'll write it again somewhere here. Let me erase once over here. Let me erase this answer once. See, over here, students, North Canada students, always remember, if you have a component n with an angle theta, then you write it as n cos theta. Its components are resolved as n sin theta. Okay. You never write n equal to nv equal to or something. You write what? The direction in Vx is what? N cos theta. But along this direction is what? N cos theta. Yes or no? This is cos theta, cos theta, cos theta, cos theta. Where I've written sin theta. This is cos theta. North Canada. Sorry, Suman. I've written as cos theta itself. Yeah. So there are two components that happen. So you need to write what? This is Vx is equal to n cos theta. But the component is what? N sin theta. sorry, n cos theta. Is it good? Similarly, over here, students, this component is Vy component, but Vy is what? N sin theta. Okay, is it good? Okay, good. So did you get to know how we are doing it? Let me know, students. Let me know in the chat. Did you get the concept? 53-degree. Where I have written, this is cos theta, Suman. Here there is cos theta, here there is cos theta, here there is cos theta, cos theta. Also here, okay, over here. Okay, good. This component is what? Cos 53-degree. Yes, good. So let me know in the chat, students. Did you get it or not? Quickly let me know. Yes. Students, let me know. Okay, good. Very good. If that is the case, students, then I'm giving you, you need to solve this. Solve this. Okay. You need to find what is VB again over here. Try to apply the concept, students. Try to apply the concept. See, over it is moving with velocity VA. Now, I'm giving you 3 minutes of time to solve this. Please solve this and tell me. This is very easy. Please try to solve this. Sweetie, where are Abhay and Parth? Have you got any idea? Teeth. Let me know. Acha, okay, sweetie, no problem. Please try to solve it. Okay, Suman has given his answer. Very good. Check it, but okay, Badari students, very good. Tumkur students, very good. Very good. Suman, you need to check your answer, okay? Very good. So the concept is clear then. Yeah. Bagalkot students, is there any doubt? Let me know. Is there any doubt? Last 45 seconds. Sweetie, Teerth, Trishna, let me know. Sweetie, check your answer once. You did some mistake, I guess. Okay, Bagalkot students, very good. Sweetie, just check your answer. Might have done certain calculation mistake. So, okay, you can cross check your answer once. Okay. So, last 10 seconds, students. Okay, 5 and it's 4, 3 and 2 and 1. Suman, no. See, over here. Now, the concept says over here you have this VA which is trying to move in this direction with a velocity 5 meters per second. Yes. Now, if it is trying to move in this direction, we know that VB also will also move in this direction. Yes. Now you know that. Okay, let's draw this. Okay. Now you know that. See, let me extend this. If I extend this, Now, if this is 37 degree, this is also 37 degree. Now, students, as I said, see over here, since VA is moving in this direction, then there will be a component along this direction also, that is VA, what? Cos 5, sorry, cos 37 degree. Cos 37 degree. Now we know that VA is 5. So what is it? 5 cos 37 degree. Now students, along this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point, and this point, and this point, it will be what? VA cos 37 degree. The velocity will be same over here. Now, similarly, in the, like, let's say in the previous problem, we saw that if it is moving in this direction, and if it has 53 degree, then we know that there is a component, that is what? VB sine 53 degree. Yes or no? Now you know that there are two components, VA cos 37 degree and VB sine 53 degree. So can I write, we know that VA is 5. So can I write, students, 5 cos 37 degree equal to VB sine 53 degree? लिख सकता हूँ ऐसे? Let me know in the chat. So what was it? It was 5 cos 37 degree equal to VB sine, sorry, previously, just a second, it is not sine. Why am I writing sine? It is what? VB cos 53 degree. Sorry, okay, my bad. Okay, I'm writing, mostly I'm writing sine because of the component. Okay, it will be VB cos 53 degree. Is it good? My bad. Okay, my bad. Printing mistakes. So what is happening? Again, I'll tell. See, over here, you know that if this is moving with the velocity VA and it is given as 37 degree, and if I'm trying to stretch it, you know that this angle also becomes 37 degree. Very good, sweetie. Very good. And you know that this component is what? 5 cos 37 degree. And you know that along the string, the component will be same. Yes, the velocity will be same. So I'm writing VA cos 37 degree. And you know that if it is trying to move, the mass of block B is trying to move along this direction with the velocity VB. Okay, Tirth. Okay. So everyone who is having chemistry exam tomorrow, all the best. Okay, best of luck. Do well in tomorrow's class. Okay. Hope it will be very easy for you. Don't worry. Don't take stress. Okay. See, if you're trying to take stress and all, then whatever you are trying to study, then it will just fly from your head. So make sure that अरे आशीर्वाद हमेशा है, ठीक है? Don't worry, okay? Chill करके एग्जाम दो, आराम से एग्जाम दो, ठीक है? हाँ, ठीक है, दूर से. Okay, my wishes will always be with you. Okay. So students, along with the problem solving, I'm launching the NPS poll. Please answer the NPS poll and go. Okay. If you have exam tomorrow. Okay, I've launched the NPS poll. Please answer the NPS poll along with that. Now, as I told students, what there are. Okay, do well. Okay, do well और बताना कितना marks आया, ठीक है? As I said, it is what has a component VB cos 53 degree. If that is the case, students, can I write 5 cos 37 degree is equal to VB cos 53 degree? Now, if that is the case, students, we have VB cos 53 degree. And we know that we have two famous triangle, 37 degree और क्या 53 degree. जो famous triangle क्या बोलता है? ये 37 degree के लिए 3, 5, 4 और ये 4, 5 and 3. अगर ऐसी बात है तो हमें चाहिए VB is equal to what? 5 cos 37 degree divided by what? Bagalkot students, check your answer once. Check your answer. Cos 53 degree. Very good. So we will get 5 into cos 37 degree. कितना हो गया? What is cos 37? 4 by 5. 4 by 5 divided by cos 53 degree कितना हो गया? 53 degree है 3 by 5. 3 by 5. 5 cancel हो जाएगा. फिर ये आएगा 4 into 5 by 3, which is equal to 20 by 3. Is it good? So this will be your answer, students. पता चला ना कैसे? बहुत easy है ना? Let me know, students. Let me know. Okay. Let me know in the chat. Is it good, students? Yes. Others, Bagalkot, other students. Recent exam, as in when you are asking, Krishna. See, I'll be solving all the NEET and JEE numericals once the concept is set. Okay, now. So we'll have a dedicated class where we will be just solving NEET and JEE questions. That also recent 2021, 2020 previous year questions. Then I'll be giving you, since see, the thing is I won't be solving everything. I'll be solving only the concept wise questions and others will be given as homework. Okay, is it good? Let me know. Yes. Okay, good. If that is the case, students, then here is a homework question for you guys. Here is a homework question for you guys. So you need to solve according to it. Okay. Let me go through that. If you want me to solve it, Krishna, then I'll solve it. Okay, now let me go through the question again. If you really want to solve it, then we can keep a session on Friday and solve it. Is it good, Krishna? Let me know. ठीक है ना, एक डेडिकेटेड क्लास रखेंगे, उसके ऊपर ही सॉल्व करेंगे. So students, you need to find what will be the velocity v2, and I want to know what is the direction also. Over here, if you're trying to move, see, this is a ring. Okay, if you're trying to move this ring up and down, let's say up and down, it is trying to move, yes or no? Let's say in this direction, yes, down or up. So if I'm trying to move it downwards, or let's say upwards, basically here it is saying it is trying to move upwards. So what will happen to the mass? It will move downwards. Yes, Badari students, let me know. Okay, so most of you answered the NPS also. I'm ending the NPS. So students, that's all for today. In the tomorrow's class, we'll be talking about what is friction, basically. Okay, what is friction? I'll ask certain questions based on it. Okay. So before ending, so what and all did we study today? First thing we studied about was point method. Yes, do you remember the point method? Where we saw in order to find the velocities, it will be very helpful. Next we saw what constraints in a string, and we saw numericals based on it. And also students, I gave a homework question for you, so you need to solve it in coming class. Okay. Yes. Okay, just a second, Badari student. Okay, so that's all for students. Okay, sweetie, just a second. Let me talk about it query one by one. Let me end the class. So that's all for students. Thank you for attending. Take care, YouTube Live students. Scout, sorry, I couldn't see your message. I didn't see your message. Okay, so that's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.